Welcome back as we conclude the program with pipe threading procedures. We shall demonstrate threading 20mm electrical black conduit. A pipe vise will be necessary to secure your work. You will also require a flat second cut file and a taper deburring tool. Stocks for pipes include the main stock body and a guide sleeve. The size of the die selected is 20mm. Notice that the thread pitch is 1,5mm. This is standard on all conduit threads. Select a 20mm guide sleeve and press it into the stock body. Fit the die so that the recesses align. Then, fit and secure the die retainer nuts firmly. Next, position the conduit into the pipe vise. Ensure that it protrudes enough to enable the stocks to turn without fouling. Then, firmly secure your work. Chamfer the end with a suitable file. Then apply some cutting paste. Next, standing on the foot platform, place the stock, guide sleeve first, onto the conduit. Feel the taper of the die onto the end of the conduit. Apply pressure onto the stock body and give a full turn clockwise to start the cut. Give a half turn back to clear the cuttings. Continue cutting with frequent back turns to clear the cutting swarf. Cutting is completed when the end of the conduit is flush with the outer face of the die. The stocks and die can now be turned off the work. Wipe the threads clean and check their condition using a suitable nut or nipple fitting. Next, we must clean up the inside of the conduit with a deburring tool to produce a clean surface which will prevent the wiring insulation from snagging when it is pulled through. Finally, dress the end face to smooth out any burrs. The equipment should be cleaned when the work is completed. That concludes this program. We trust that with practice, you will now be able to use the tools and equipment demonstrated in this series both effectively and efficiently. Join us again in other Tech AV training programs.